First we clap our hands just so. First we clap our hands just so. Then we bend and touch our toes.
So today we are at Pohick Library in our brand new meeting room for the Small Wonders program, which is an early literacy infused story time where we read books, we have activities, and we sing songs for children 12 months through 23 months. So every story time is a little bit different, but we tend to do some of the basic things that we want children to know, like the body parts and animals and what sounds the animals make. Some of the props that I use in story times are bells, I use a drum, I use scarves, we have a parachute. There are a lot of different things depending on what the story time is. But like so for the bells, today I use them to teach the children high and low. So we shook the bells up high, we shook the bells down low. With the scarves, we did some action. So they learned how to wave a scarf, they learned how to throw it in the air, they did peekaboo. We used a drum to help with phonics. So teach them that there are syllables in their names, and they tapped out their names on the drum. We have a lot of programs at Pohick, but there are actually programs all over the county in every single branch. And there are a few ways that parents can find out. There's a print catalog if you walk into the library for each month, and it lays out the programs not only for children, but for adults and teens and everyone in between. They can also go online to the library website and click on events. The library is such a wonderful resource. So I would just say come in and explore and take advantage of this wonderful resource.